Hello children, in this video we will learn and discuss the chapter Neha's Alarm Clock. Here we will cover new words that we have learned in this poem and their meaning. We will make sentences using these words for better understanding. We will also cover Take the correct answer, jumbled words, who said to whom, filling the blanks, and some grammar exercises as provided in CBSE Marigold textbook.
New words. Snuggles. Meaning, settle or move into a warm, comfortable position. Sentence. Tom snuggled under the blankets. Mutters. Meaning, say something in a low or barely audible voice, especially in dissatisfaction or irritation. Sentence. Ram mutters to himself. Windowsill. Meaning, the bottom part of the window. Sentence. Birds come to my windowsill every morning. Relax. Meaning, to become calmer and less worried. Sentence. Take a bath and relax for a while.
Snores, meaning to breathe noisily through your nose and mouth while you are asleep. Sentence. Neha snores until she hears her mother's voice. Escape, meaning to get free or free from tension. Sentence. He escaped from his attackers. Take the correct answer. Question number 1. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? Options are 4 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Answer 6 o'clock. Question number 2. What did the bird say? Options are sleep on, wake up, go and play. Answer wake up. Question number 3. What is inside you that make you get up at the same time every day? Options are our body clock, our eyes, our feet. Answer is our body clock.
Put the letters in the right order, that is, jumbled words. As you can see, on the left side, there are few jumbled words given, and the right answer for them are given on the right side. First one is smile, 2 morning, 3 alarm, 4 snored, 5 clock, 6 window. Who said to whom? 1. Wake up dear, wake up fast. The answer is birds said to Neha. 2. Ma, who woke me up today? Answer is Neha said to her mother. 3. Why do you sleep at 9 every night? The answer is mother said to Neha. Look at the pictures below and complete the following paragraph. You will need these words: pulled out, inside, called out, behind, under. Yesterday I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. I looked behind a door. Here we picked the word behind. I looked inside a cupboard. I looked under a bed. I could not find it anywhere. Then I called out, Sheru, Sheru. Sheru, my dog, came running to me. I asked him to look for my book. He pulled out another book from my bag. Grammar exercise. Verb is a word or group of words that shows action. For example, dancing, swimming, etc. Or state of being. Example, I, are, were, etc. Was is used for singular subject. Example, I, he, she. Were is used for plural subjects. Example, they, we, etc.
Use was and were to fill in the blanks. Ram was a good football player. B. The cows were grazing in the field. C. My toys were broken. D. Her frock was too long. E. The market was closed. F. The children were happy. G. The flowers were kept in a vase. Extra question for practice. Question 1. I was eating chocolate. They were playing games. People were dancing. I was waiting for my teacher. We were inside our house. Dear children, if you have any question related to this chapter, kindly write it down in comment box. Thank you.